Have you ever opened your refrigerator, felt the cool air, and wondered how this magical box keeps your food fresh, even on the hottest summer day? It might surprise you to know that a fridge doesn't actually create cold at all. It seems so simple. Put food inside, close the door, and it stays cold. But did you know that a fridge doesn't actually create cold? Instead, it cleverly removes heat, using a hidden scientific process that's happening right behind those doors. A refrigerator works by removing heat, not by adding cold. This might sound strange at first, but cold is simply the absence of heat. The fridge uses a special liquid called a refrigerant, like HFCs or ammonia, which moves through a continuous cycle of changing from a liquid to a gas and back again. This cycle allows it to absorb heat from inside the fridge and release it outside. The process starts in the evaporator coils, usually hidden at the back of the fridge or freezer compartment. The refrigerant, in its liquid form, flows through these coils. As it evaporates into a gas, it absorbs heat from the inside of the refrigerator. This is what makes the interior cold. The warmer gas then moves to the compressor. The compressor acts like the heart of the refrigerator. It squeezes the gas, increasing its pressure and temperature. You might have even noticed the soft humming sound it makes. This is the compressor working. This hot, high-pressure gas travels into the condenser coils, usually located at the back or bottom of the fridge. As the gas moves through these coils, the heat is released into the surrounding air, and the gas cools down, turning back into a liquid. Finally, this cooled liquid refrigerant flows back to the evaporator coils, and the cycle repeats. A thermostat inside the fridge constantly measures the temperature, signaling the compressor to turn on or off to maintain the right level of coolness. That soft humming sound you sometimes hear? It's the compressor kicking in, working quietly but steadily to keep everything at just the right temperature. The entire system is sealed and relies on physics principles like the laws of thermodynamics. What's incredible is how efficiently this process works to keep food at a safe temperature, slowing down the growth of bacteria and preserving freshness. So next time you grab a cold drink or open the fridge for a midnight snack, remember the complex invisible science working behind the scenes, pumping, compressing, and releasing heat, all to make sure your food stays cold and safe.
Got a question about how something really works? Drop it in the comments and we might cover your topic in our next video.